Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So, yeah, I'm shaking my head. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. See, they don't have the strength to come towards you just yet. Could be dealing with a Leo. I'm not going to lie, when that card jumped out, I heard Sagittarius. Because the first thing I was about to say is like, oh my God, Sagittarius. Then I've been telling y'all for a while their spell work. So I don't know if Virgo, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Cross-watcher, you're a Sagittarius, you were dealing with a Virgo. Or you both, one or the other may have these placements in their chart. I heard Sagittarius. So, yeah. But there's spell work. There was spell work magic here. That's why they don't have the strength to come towards you, because somebody was manipulating them, the energy, all of that. Somebody could have been, yeah, see, that's why they were moving slow. Could have been dealing with an Aries. Didn't I tell you they were moving slow? This is going to take some time. They're still in it. There's still spell work going on. Somebody's doing something. Hold on. I want to do this. Spirit, give me just a little bit more information from Virgo, please. What's going on? What do you want Virgo to know? Somebody's trying to hold on to them. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, see, I told you, somebody's causing confusion. Somebody is definitely causing confusion because they know their time is running out. I'm telling you, this is, whoever is the one doing the spell work and the magic, this is the energy I'm picking up on. They know that their time is running out. I see a 10. There is going to be an ending, see? Time's running. There's a commitment coming in. I feel like for you, and if they are in a commitment with this person, it's getting ready to come to an end. They know it. See? What did I just say? There's a coffin. It's about to come to an end. It's about to come to an end. See? The commitment, okay? The relationship is coming to an end because they know that this person is supposed to be with someone else. Somebody's holding on to them for dear life. This could be somebody they're in a romantic relationship with. This could be a family member holding on to them because of what their child or what this other person can do for them, financially speaking, paying bills, giving to them. I'm telling you, but they know a commitment is coming in around the corner. They know something is destined to happen, but that's also magic. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. They know, see, that's why they've been trying to make a decision. Okay, how exactly can I do this? Because, see, this person, either they're wise or they're going to someone wise to, help them out. See, with these birds, I'm telling you, this is a lot of gossip. They're watching them on social media. Hell, they could be even watching you on social media trying to figure out, okay, what's going on? Because, look, they wear a mask. I'm telling you, and they're paying somebody. This person is working with someone trying to basically figure out how to get you up out of there. Let me keep going. Ooh, something trying to jump out. Yeah, there's a female here that is fake, and she's a snake. What I tell y'all about the female with the snake, I don't care if it's the angry woman or not. This is somebody that is super fake. This is someone that will basically do spell work and magic to make sure something does not happen. I'm telling you. This is just confirmation on top of confirmation. See? Because there's the letter here. She's getting information. And she's trying to cause sadness and sorrow. She does not want the two of you being with each other. See? She's trying to push this person to move in another direction. She does not want you two together. And see, she's trying to stay calm, but she's pissed. She's pissed. Because she's been trying to burn a bridge between the two of you. She knows happiness is coming in. She knows that you're about to get the recognition. That's why I told you, she's pissed. You're getting ready to get the recognition. There's the angry woman. I'm telling you. Did I tell you she's working with somebody? She's working with somebody. I'm telling you. If it resonates, Y'all hang in there. Because this is going to take some time. Look, even I'm telling you, it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time, bro. So let me give you some advice. Because at this point, I just feel like you guys got to just keep moving on. they got themselves into this and they got to get themselves out of it. Okay, so Spirit, with what I just saw, what messages do you have for my Virgos? What messages do you have for my Virgos, please? Bottom of the deck, you have the Page of Wands reversed. So you feel like the seeds that you've been planting, they're not going to grow. Yeah, there's the Moon. Spirit needs you to listen to your intuition because this person, yeah, they're dragging their feet to come towards you. Why is the Devil here? Okay, so they're dragging their feet to come towards you because of a toxic situation that they're in. But I feel like you guys are fearing this person not being able to get out of their situation, not coming towards you, right? And you're emotional about it. But Spirit is saying things will improve for you. What just jumped out? See, the Queen of Wands. So if I put everybody right here, you see what I'm saying? You have the King and the Queen. This soulmate, possibly, definitely a twin flame situation. But then you have somebody in the middle blocking. By the Devil. I'm telling you. Blocking. Trying to block this connection. You know, that's why Spirit is saying things are moving. So I'm telling you, this is confirmation on top of confirmation. It's like you're getting to the point where you're like, you know what? I don't see things turning around and working out because of a family situation. Family. There's no balance here. This person, they're not taking a leap. They're not coming towards me. So guess what? I have to put an end to it. I have to put my foot down. I can't keep allowing them to go back and forth because I feel like what's happening or what's been happening with your connection, this person, y'all will go your separate ways. They'll wait a couple of weeks, couple months, they'll come back. And then y'all will be good. But because of whoever this person is here, they revert back doing the same thing. Then they come back in. Because this person has been doing spell work and magic. And this is why I don't understand why people keep doing this. Because when you do stuff like this, it wears off. At the end of the day, if you're manifesting love, you want love to come in. But you over here doing spell work and magic, trying to hold on to this person. Your person ain't coming in. Because you're doing whatever you can to keep holding on to the wrong person. I don't get it. You know, and if it's like a mother figure doing it, meaning like their mom or sister, you know, out of selfish reasons, it's still bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I'm telling y'all don't have to do a thing. They're going to get their karma. See, that's why Spirit is saying, get out of this third party situation. Get out of it. Because see, right now they keep going back and forth, but it's like you have to make a decision. Because I feel like there's something that you want to say and you're not saying. Whew. See, you want a family with this person. This is your person. Whoever I'm talking to right now, this is your person. And that's why this other individual has to stoop so low to do spell work and magic because they know that they're number two. They want to be number one so bad, and they're not. You get what I'm saying? So this is your person hands down. And it's like you're wanting them to get out of the situation. You're wanting them to come towards you fast, but they can't right now. They can't move forward. They're going through lessons. But I feel like you're missing a part of your lesson too because, see, you're frustrated. You're frustrated. You feel like if you close the door on them, now you ruined the connection. No, you did not. No, you did not. This is a part of their lesson. This is a part of their journey. They have to figure this out. See? With the Queen of Swords, you want to hear from them. But now your guard is up. Like, you're going to come off cold to them because of everything the Spirit is saying. You got to have the strength to keep moving forward. Give me 10 more for Virgo, please. Yeah, right now, I'm telling you, there's no balance. If this person comes back in, because this is what you're wanting, you're manifesting it, they're not going to be ready for you. It's going to be another cycle. Let them be, guys. Let them figure this out. Because, see, right now, you're not going to have a new opportunity with them right now. No. See, they're saying things aren't going to improve. And you got to get out of your head. Stop overthinking this. Because, see, I told you, balance is going to come in, but right now they got to figure this out with their other situation. See, I told you, you're not going to get a stable offer right now. And you're not happy about it. You're pissed. But look at that. Spirit said free yourself from this connection. You got to let them go. You have to let them go because this is you making a change. You're changing your situation, and I feel like they have to make a change because, see, right now you're frustrated and you're feeling stuck by this connection and you won't walk away. You're not letting them go. So that's what I want you guys to focus on, figuring out how to let this person go for now. I don't feel like it's the end of your story. I'm not saying that you guys will never be together, but remember I told you that Knight of Pentacles came out. This is going to take some time. This is going to take some time, and it's not right that you're waiting for this person. You're stuck. You're going to have to put all of that energy and channel it back into yourself and get busy. Because I feel like, if I'm right, let's just say this is a twin situation, you're supposed to be focusing on your career. There's something that you're supposed to be doing, getting off the ground, because while you're so engulfed and focusing on that, I feel like eventually they will come back in, but it may be a situation to where somebody else is going to be in the picture too. And now you may have to make a decision. You may choose to, go back to them, the connection, but then you may choose to say F them and you go to somebody else, but who knows? But the first things first, you got to figure out how to heal. You have to free yourself from the situation, and you will. Just take it day by day. You're not going to let them go tomorrow. Take it day by day, but I need you to get out this energy of feeling stuck, feeling trapped, okay? I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Virgo. Talk to you soon. Bye, Virgo.